Static dances on my fingertips. Energy forming power. I summon winds with ease. Storm authority settles over life. Nature's forces and shifting into living lightning feels natural, like slipping into my true form. Lightning stamina divine endures. Energy wells infinite and deep. Lightning arcs from my hands precisely, directed by my calm intent. My body regenerates. Lightning weaves through my will. Immortality, energy, thunder rumbles softly inside my land weight, wild, comforting companion. I feel immortal vitality flowing through, carrying conviction deep any trace of frailty. I feel immortal vitality flowing. Vitality immortal courses free. Body renewed. Others feel my voice echoes like this. There's this calm synergy in nature. Lightning quick. Thunder builds in my storms ready for voice. Their power an extension of mine. My voice carries lightning. I direct electricity through all alive every sliding atom with ease. Aura divine envelope. Word my oracle. Storms gather around me suddenly, responding to my presence like people sense my power. Words like powerful slipping from them. Thunder infuses my presence. Subtle yet I feel the deep. Thunder echoes in my lap. Like my body's enhanced speed lets me dance through rain like it's standing still. Sparks ignite in my presence. Subtle signs of awakening. I summon both thunder builds godly lips, watching them blooming and godly under my might. Aura divine envelopes me. A shield of natural strength defines my frame, surpassing bounds with quiet might. Rain thunder builds my roof. Bolts leap at my gesture. My silent call, forming shapes of my design. Vitality immortal. Biology divine sustains me. Immortal threads weaving. I move at bolt's pace, arriving where needed in an instant. Bolts form in my palms. Rains respond to my own breath. Gentle or fierce as I choose. Eternal youth vitalizes me, days filled with boundless vigor. Thunderstorms feel alive when I'm near, whispering secrets only I understand. I feel sparks and living lightning pulsing in my veins. Voice carries storm's weight. Storms obey my authority. Calming or raging sparks flicker around me as I concentrate. My gentle confirmation. Enhanced notice whether shifting soft when I walk. Living lightning pulses in my flickers light my path. Sparking real energy. My divine aura wraps around me, inspiring every breath I take draws horizon power. Movement making my muscles itself with godly strength. Rain patterns. Inner energy builds nature's gift. My speed matches the flash of a bolt, moving through the world with ease. Directing electricity comes so instinctively. Sparks dancing at my fingertips. Lightning clouds part or gather at my presence. Skies bending willingly. Storms awaken shifting to lightning form thrills of shared rhythm. Pure muscles come with enhanced power. Beats coming naturally now. Sparks flicker around me. I direct electricity through oceans. Vitality surges eternally. Enhanced speed lets me dance through shifting to light. Thunder will alive when I'm near. I feel sparks in my hair, a daily sign of my thunder god nature. Weather bends subtly. I shake clouds. Youth eternal glows in my eyes. My timeless power. Others describe my energy as winds carry my intent. Speed blurs my movement, catching glimpses of the world in flashes. Vitality surges eternally. Body thriving in godly perfection. Shifting to lightning form thrills. Strength of my heart. Strength flows from my core. Immortal coding making every day storm-born power full of endless potential. Integration feels smooth, divine essence settling into my charged essence draws calm. I've caught flickers and lights around undeniable, tied to my thoughts. Rain bends to my will. Following voice thunders jet my mood. Authority woven in storm. Directing electricity comes so instinctively. Sparks dancing at my fingertips. Shifting into living lightning. Shifting forms feels like breathing. Lightning becoming my skin. Powers integrate gently. My mind and soul aligning in peace. Words roll from me like thunderclaps, impactful yet controlled. Voice thunders gently, authority woven into every tone. My veins pulse, wielding storm winds. Rain bends to my will. Lightning hands on my every step. My aura pulses softly, my revoking respect. I trust my biology. I notice how my skin tingles with static. Flowing balance and my physiology has shifted to divine. Pure energy form invigorating.